I'm going to take a break from garment construction and talk about yarn. And we're going to do that by knitting down some trim. I have 3 colors, navy, white, and gray, and each color has 2 ends of yarn. When both yarns come in and are the same color, the defects and inconsistencies are hard to notice. I have 2 ends of yarn running in parallel into the yarn carrier or finger. Each yarn has a stop motion to stop the machine if one end breaks, but there's still friction and torque created by those yarns rubbing together. This is going to be more noticeable when we start mixing the colors. It does give a very unique look, but you can tell one color floats towards the front or back periodically. We can improve on this by the process of doubling or winding the 2 ends together. I'm adding some wax to try to keep the 2 yarns together. We are still getting this inconsistent heathering effect, but we are saving space on the yarn creel and reducing the probability of the yarn tangling up on one another. From running in parallel to the doubled yarn, that is looking more consistent, but I think we can get a better product by twisting the yarns together. Steve has set up the Agtex direct twist twisting machine to about 1.5 twists per inch. Each yarn coming in has its own tension device, stop motion if the yarn breaks, and the ability to add wax. We're going to skip the wax on this one. We had the very inconsistent heathering effect of the doubled yarn, and then after that hole is where we have added on the twisted yarn. It's much more consistent. So, do you go with running yarn in parallel? Do you double it or do you twist it? It's all up to you and what your customer wants, but personally I think twisted yarn looks a whole lot better.